Hi guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing websites where you can make up to $100 every single day using some simple tools. Now you don't have to be an expert at anything, you just have to do testing. From testing, I mean they'll give you a condition that if you have an Android device or if you have an iOS device or if you have any kind of device, you need to open this website or you need to open that web app, you need to open that smartphone app and test that application if all features are working correctly or not. Did you find some bugs? Do you think something can be improved? You just have to share your feedback, your opinion, and you will be getting paid for it. Now these apps might have already been launched to real public or they might be available only to the test users. So the best part is that you are going to use the world's best apps in their starting phase. You can proudly say, I was the first person to use Netflix. Just like that, you can be the first person to get the next revolutionary app in your smartphone at the initial stage. So now let's take a look at these 3 places where you can find such jobs and make money on the internet. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now to get started, as you can see that this is my first website called as Intellizoom.com, Intellizoom.com. So you need to come to this website. Now as you can see that it says your opinion matters. Get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on the products you love and care about. So as you can see that you need to just spend 15 to 20 minutes on minimum. Like you don't have to spend hours and hours. If you're thinking that you don't have a lot of time, don't worry. You need to share your opinion and share your feedback about your product experiences and you'll be paid quickly and easily, as simple as that. Now you just need to give feedback and get paid, as I said you. If you have questions, then here are the answers. You can see that how quickly you can start taking studies. As soon as you finish the registration process and answer the 3 basic profiling questions, you can start taking tests. How long these tests are, like just 10 to 20 minutes. How old you have to be. You just have to be 18 plus and rest of things can be taken care of. How many studies invitations will I receive? How much money you can make. You can easily make $10 on an average per app. So as I said that you are spending around 10 minutes on each app and you are making $10 for an app. That means in 60 minutes you can make over $600. But that is the best case scenario. That's why I'm telling you, you can easily make up to $100 to $300 every single day. If you are lucky, you can even make up to $300 every single hour. So that's the best part. Now, do you need to participate in studies? All you need is a computer, tablet and smartphone. This is all you need, honestly, and an internet connection. Nothing else. No other thing is needed. Now how do you get your money? So your payment will be sent to you PayPal within just 21 business days. That's it. No longer waiting period. So guys, I hope you have learned the basics of Intellizoom panel. Now when you come to this website, you just need to click on the sign up button here. And here you have to enter your name, last name. Then you can see there are over 5 steps available here which you need to fill. On each step they'll ask you more questions about you and your smartphone uses or your computer uses, and that's it. You'll be simply signed into their system and then you can start taking these tasks. Now let's talk about the second website which I'm about to show you. The second website is called as testingtime.com. So you can go to this website testingtime.com and here you can see that there is an option called as recruit test users. Now you don't have to click on this option. This option is for companies which are coming to hire you. What you need to do is you need to scroll down below and then click on jobs. Now when you click on jobs, it will take you a page. Now here also you need to scroll down first and then click on become a test user and click on sign me up. Now on this page you'll get all the options. You can see that give feedback and shape the future, test new products and services, share your opinions and get paid for it. As simple as that. So the sign up process is also very simple. You just need to tell about yourself, then they'll invite you and then you have to decide that this is a good app, this is a bad app, this is working, this is not working. You need to give feedback, you need to give your impact and you will be getting paid for it. Yes, you will be getting paid for reviews. Now you can see that there are many powerful and popular companies like Microsoft, GiftGap and many others which have been using testing time for such purposes. So guys, if you still have any questions like what you can earn, how long do tests last, you can see that the test lasts from 30 to 90 minutes and how often you can participate in tests, what are the requirements. You can read all of this information here. I don't want to waste your precious time, so I'm just telling you that where it is located. It is just textual information. You can either pause the video and read them, or you can take your time, go to this website yourself and then read them. So this was about our second website called as testing time. Now let me introduce you to the third website called as utest.com. So now UTest is claiming to be the largest community of testers in the world. You can come to utest.com straight away, and then you can scroll down and you can see that it says become a U tester. This is what we are going to do. We need to become a U tester. The sign up process is very simple to other websites. You just need to enter your basic information, and there are 4 steps available here. Once you enter all of your basic information about you, your location, the devices you use, what do you do, what are your interests, then you will be taken to your dashboard where you can find tasks which are related to the interests you have selected. For example, as you can see in this dashboard that they have given various tasks to people, so you can just click on any one of these to apply. You can apply on it, and then you will be getting paid for your feedbacks. As you can see that this website is also very popular and is being used by companies like MasterCard, McDonald's, Tesla, Volkswagen, Starbucks, Uber, Google, Facebook. So all you need to do is come to any of these 3 websites and sign up to them as a tester. Now when you sign up to them as a tester, they'll ask you for some basic details in the registration process. After that, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and on the dashboard you'll see various tasks which you have to do. Tasks will be as simple as testing an application on your phone, giving your feedback for some particular feature, and that's it, and you will be getting paid for it. So guys, I hope you have learned the basics of how to earn money on the internet using testing. Now this method is applicable throughout the world. You can be from any country of this world and still do this, as long as you have a smartphone, PC, tablet, or any kind of device on which these apps are available. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.